Oh my god, Snorlax.
Why? Hold on.
Yeah.
Does it actually have full body?
No, you have to have
It's so
vertical.
weird. I don't think my leg is looking like that. Yo, we ain't snoring on these moves, baby. You gotta sleep on this ranch, you know what I'm saying? This town only big enough for one person to sleep. Only one nap for the both of us. Snorlax, you fly. Hello, brother.
How did this happen? How did this happen? I didn't even know you were in a fucking Snorlax.
You wanna sleep together, babe?
Wait, right the forklift now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're fit. Oh my god, he's huge.
Oh god, feel my pain, feel my pain.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
God.
I'm driving.
God,
Mommy's
you're a
sleeping.
Literally looks like your neck is broken.
I just like.